guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a review video on a product which is a general neutral product and should be used by everyone. So this product is something that is related to skincare, and I believe skincare is a must for everybody, be it anyone or everyone should include a CTM routine for maintaining their external skin and also to protect themselves from so many factors which externally affect our skin. Essential for us, for everyone. So the abbreviation CTM basically stands for cleansing, toning and moisturizing, which is a basic routine for maintaining. And since I am an influencer and doing makeup on a daily basis is my job, so it is a very crucial product for me, and I've been using this product since the past 2-3 months, and which is why I can vouch for this product. And I have been loving using this face wash, and I'm just gonna tell you which face wash this is and what it has actually done for my skin. It is a must in everybody's shelf and it's a must for usage. I always make sure to double cleanse my face and my neck when I'm applying makeup, because I always tend to use a micellar water first, and then after removal of the makeup I use a good cleanser to deep cleanse my face. And since I am a combination type skin, so I need a proper cleanser which actually moisturizes and does not leave my skin all dried out after using a cleanser. So I'm talking about this face wash by the Saturn, and it is a face wash which has tea tree oil as well as 4% niacinamide in it. So this is the face wash by Saturn, and this comes for 499 rupees. Right now they have a sale going on and you can get this product for cheaper. I'm going to insert a picture right here for what this product retails for right now. This product has 120 ml in it. All of the things that are mentioned on the bottle, which is a very nice thing for brands to be very transparent with their customers about what they're putting inside a bottle of face wash. Also, you can see all the prices, manufacturing is mentioned right here, and all the ingredients which are there in this face wash are mentioned here with everything that you need to know before applying a product. Now, why I am personally recommending you guys this face wash is because first of all, it is so easy to use since it comes with a brush of its own. So you just have to remove the cap from it, which protects it from any antibacterial and any kind of dust or whatever. So you can keep this face wash as it is on your shelf in front of you. You don't need to protect it from anything. And also this brush is so easy to use. You guys can see how easy you can lather up, and since it has a foamy texture to it, it's very good to exfoliate and deep cleanse your skin as well. You guys can see how easy it is to use it. Easy product to travel with since it comes with a cap. I don't have to put this in any Ziploc bags to protect the face wash, or I don't have to even worry about any leakage because it's so firm, the cap is. You can use this for your AM and PM routine as a face wash, because I believe everybody just feels so lazy once they wake up and they feel so dull. Their skin is very dried out and everything after their 8 or 9 hour nap. So I generally need a good cleanser to wake me up and to make me feel refreshed, which this cleanser does. Undoubtedly, cleanser is enriched with a lot of essential oils, guys, and it is my job to actually tell you guys what all is present in this. So everything is mentioned on the bottle, as I just told you guys and showed you as well. Right here you guys can see that everything is mentioned on the bottle. Tea tree oil, niacinamide, this has orange peel extracts, aloe vera extracts, and it also rose oil. So I don't want to go into those chemical components or to tell you guys about the scientific stuff that these ingredients actually do. So I'm just going to tell you what these ingredients are going to do and target on your skin. So first of all, tea tree oil is very good because first of all, it's going to cater to your acne. So people who have oily skin type and who have a lot of acne and a lot of pimple and breakouts, tea tree oil should be a must in their face washes as an ingredient, which this face wash has. Also, aloe vera extract is very good for you to get a nice skin tone and to moisturize your skin. So even after using this face wash, my skin is a combination skin, so my cheeks are very dry, whereas my T-zone is oily, but my cheeks become very nicely moisturized after using this face wash. As you guys can see, aloe vera extracts helps in removing any sorts of dark spots that you have after your pimple fades away. It leaves a lot of marks on your face, right? Now for rose oil. Rose oil, basically it maintains the pH level of our skin. It removes and helps in removing the dark spots. So basically there are 2 to 3 ingredients in this face wash which helps in removing the dark spots. So it's very good for people who have a lot of acne and breakout issues. Also, orange peel is good for exfoliation, so this cleanser does the job for exfoliating your skin as well. So it is generally recommended as a skincare procedure for everybody. So once in a week you should exfoliate your skin properly, which helps your pores to breathe, and also it helps in cleansing out 3 to 4 levels of your skin really well, which this orange peel extracts does. And since this has lemon extracts also, which is a very good component for catering to your pimples again and to your dark spots, fine your pores really well. So it has everything that you need in your face wash, guys. You guys can get this product for a 20% off if you use my code, which is mentioned right here, which is Shubheksha. So you can get 20% off on all the products if you use my code at the checkout. This is a face wash that I have personally seen that the results are quite instant, and this also has a little bit of fragrance to it, which is not disturbing in any way. I really feel refreshed because of that fragrance as well. And I have been using this face wash. I've been using this as a makeup remover mostly because this has such a nice easy brush to use with, and I have seen a drastic result in my skin. As you guys can see in this footage as well, this is how my skin looks. I can see that because of niacinamide and because of using a serum which has niacinamide, my breakouts have significantly decreased, and I can see a lot of change in the skin tone and the texture of my skin. It's very smoother than it used to be, and because of such harsh weathers and because of such humid weather conditions, this face wash really refreshes me and deep cleanses as well, which is absolutely a plus for me and why I love to use this. So with that, I come to an end to this review video. I don't want to make it too long, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye, guys.